Hey guys, in this video we're going to unbox the Baccarat setup knife. This is the Kobe iD3 7-piece knife block set. So let's go to unbox and see what's inside. Now I'm just gonna have it stand up because that's where the box opening is. It's quite a big box. You can see here the sideway, my hand, you can see the distance between the height of the box. It's quite a big box, so let's have a look inside. I'm just going to open it up, and then we open this one down this side, and then there is a top cover. We're just going to pull it out. So that's the top cover, and then inside there's nothing inside, so that's just basically filling up the blanks. And then this one here, there is a set in one box. Feel quite heavy, so there is quite a few knives, cooking knives in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 knives in here. So we'll open it up later. Let's just take everything out of the box first. So this one here is empty. There's nothing. It's just padding the space. And then there is another knife right here in this one. So that is another knife, and then still quite heavy. So let's see what is filling up the box right here. I'm going to pull out this one here inside. There's something in here. It's not a knife. It must be something. So that must be the knife stand or the block. So let's open it up inside this block. See what do we get. So we got a block right here. It's actually quite heavy. And then I'm just going to unwrap it. Then we're going to check out. Okay, so the block is quite tall. This is the block right here. And there is kind of like a silver coating at the top. This silver coating feels like it's going to chip out easily. It's not really that, doesn't look like really that high quality coating. Although it looks on the web, when you look at it, when you purchase it online, it looks like this is a nice metallic. But when we are holding this one up close, we can see the quality is not that good. Okay, so this is the knife block right here. I'm going to place it on the table, and then we're going to take a look at the knife. Now, when buying a knife, there's a few things that you need to consider. Is the balance of the knife, the comfort, the safety, and a footing. So you don't simply just buy any knife. This set is fairly expensive. Now the recommended price for these knives are around $800. That's just recommended price, retail price. Now when I'm holding this up, it's not very heavy. In fact, I feel it's very light. This general cooking knife right here. Feel quite a bit light on this knife. It's all metal all around. So I'm just going to hold it up so you can see. In fact, we're going to zoom in so you can see closely on the handle of the knife. Now I'm just going to be careful holding around the blade. I don't want to cut myself. So this is the handle right here. Just trying to get the camera to focus on the handle so you can actually see it. sounds like. Okay. Sometimes when you hold on the knife and the weight and the sound of the knife and the comfort of holding the knife can give you a feeling and extension of your arm, and when you do actually feel that, then you're going to be able to enjoy your cooking. Now let's test it out by cutting out an apple and see how sharp it is. Now all of this knife have a different purpose, but just for the ease of demonstration, I'm just going to use an apple today. And this is a large knife for cutting meat and stuff. Okay, so there you have it. Baccarat knife set. This is the iD3 7-piece set. Now they are retail for around $800. And here is the outside of the box. These are the different knives that you're going to get inside this box. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.